See where the spout is right here? There's actually a drain in the wall. That's a kitchen right here. This is a kitchen. This is a lab. And the kitchen, and lab are all getting backed up. There's a crawl space right there. Dirty arms over. And there's a double fixture fitting right here. So what I'm gonna do is crawl under, cut it, and snake that way. I think I cut that and I snake across. That will solve the issue. Fairly certain. That's packed. Okay, so it didn't work. That's a combi right there. But I guess it's just completely closed off. I mean, if I left that off, water wouldn't even get through. So we're gonna go around to the other side, cut open the pipe, and then snake it from there. Power cable coming through the little vent, crawl space. So I'm gonna cut it and then take that off and snake it that way. So the real issue, so here's the kitchen sink line, right? The issue is this is all scaled up and something got stuck right here where it Y's into this 4-inch. That's the issue. I mean, it's open, but honestly, this 4-inch needs to be replaced. So I just need to put a no-hub band here and one right here. I only brought one, but I have another one in the truck. Damn it. So, all right, let's take this stuff out and then come back and do this. Okay, there you go. No-hub band. Another no-hub. And then that one was already here. But the issue was right here, I think. I know when I was snaking it, some water came out, you can see it. But I really think all the grease was just getting caught up on the scale in this. So, anyway. Got that running. Got the lab right here running, and then also it's running upstairs. Everything's draining.